Hello everyone, I'm Sarah from Qinggong Machinery. When you have the biggest size workpieces, you can consider use the ruler conveyor for blast machine to blast it. But how to choose maybe is the problem for you. So now today I will introduce the 6 different model, different size short blast machine to you. Let's go. So number 1 for this machine, that is the H-beam ruler conveyor short blast machine. For this machine, that with 12-unit blast turbines. The biggest part for this machine is the double unit bucket elevator, because for this machine, the height of the workshop is limited. So we according to the size of the workpieces and the size of the workshop to design for this machine. So if you cannot make the foundation pit and the height of the workshop is limited, you can consider for this design 2-unit bucket elevator. For second machine, that is 2 meter by 2 meter opening size, and this machine can blast the steel structure H-beam that with a different size, different shape. Because for the steel structure, after blast, that will have the steel shot on top. So under the outlet ruler conveyor, we put the belt conveyor to recycle the steel shot. The third one for this machine, because that has the steel plate, so here have the brush screw conveyor up and down to remove the abrasive on the steel plate. So if you have the steel plate, you can consider for this type machine. If you have the workpieces, the width and the height is more than 2 meters, you can consider for this type short blast machine. This machine is suitable to blast the H-beam, steel structure, and the steel plate. We can see the blast turbine. Each blast turbine with a different angle, different position, just to ensure the abrasive from the blast wheel can cover the different surface of the workpieces. So number 5, if you only have the steel plate need to blast, you can consider this one, vertical steel plate short blast machine. The steel plate into the workpiece is vertical and without the abrasive cleanup system. So this is only suitable for blast the steel plate. The last one, standard size ruler conveyor blast machine. Before all the short blast machine I introduced, that is according to your workpieces to design. But for this machine, the opening size is 1.5 meter by 0.5 meter. That can blast the H-beam, steel plate, steel angle, and different type raw materials. So if you have the small size workpieces need to blast, and maybe for one day only working 5 hours or 6 hours, you can consider this standard type short blast machine. So this is a different size, different type ruler conveyor short blast machine. You can let me know what kind of workpieces need to blast and the size of the workpieces. Our engineer team will give you the professional proposal. See you next time.